Good morning all. Myself K Tejasri and my PIN number is 20046EE030. I belongs to Electrical and Electronics Engineering GPT Kottagudem. Introduction to water pollution. Now we will discuss about causes of water pollution and effects of water pollution on living and non-living things. Let us move to the topic water pollution. Any physical, biological or chemical changes in water quality that has adverse effect on living organisms or make water unsuitable for desired usage is called water pollution. Causes of water pollution. There are so many reasons which leads to water pollution. The following are the main causes of water pollution. Number 1. Domestic sewage. The disposal of sewage like soaps, detergents, salts, organic compounds and human waste in water can cause the water pollution. 90% of water pollution is caused by improper drainage systems. Number 2. Industrial effluents. The disposal of industrial waste, acids, bases, chlorides in seas or water sources cause toxic water pollution. Number 3. Unhygienic practices. Some places washing clothes, bathing of animals and human activities are allowed to do in open ponds or lakes and rivers, which causes the water pollution. Number 4. Agriculture waste. Fertilizers, pesticides, farm wastage and manual wastage are washed away to drainages and rivers by rainfall. It can cause the water pollution. Number 5. Radioactive pollutants. These were released from nuclear power plants, nuclear reactors, hospital wastage, and this was extremely toxic and badly caused water pollution. 6. Biological pollution. It occurs due to dead organisms and microorganisms like bacteria, virus, protozoa, etc. And finally, oil transportation. Mostly petroleum will transport through sea and ocean ways. Oil spills occurs during transportation can cause the major water pollution. Till now we discussed about water pollution and causes of water pollution. Now we will move on to next topic, effects of water pollution. Effects of water pollution is classified into two types. First one is effects of water pollution on living organisms and effects of water pollution on non-living organisms. Firstly, we are going to discuss effects of water pollution on living things. There are so many adverse effects of water pollution, and number 1, polluted water can cause diseases like typhoid and jaundice. Number 2, polluted water contains excess amount of fluorine. It may cause fluorosis. Number 3, radioactive pollutants present in water can cause the genetic disorders in living organisms, and the toxic substances present in water cause liver damage. Number 5, polluted water can cause the skin diseases. Number 6, it kills aquatic animals and their food chain. Number 7, it affects plant metabolism and it will disturb ecosystem. Number 8, the pesticide present in water affect the human nervous system. Number 9, pollutants can change the pH of water which leads to tooth decay. And finally, the polluted water can contaminate the food crops which leads to so many harmful diseases. And the next one is effects of water pollution on non-living things. Number 1, polluted water reduces the soil fertility. Number 2, polluted water corrode ship parts and pipings and machinery parts underwater. Number 3, polluted water reduces the strength of concrete structures. Number 4, polluted water kills the useful bacteria and algae and some of other microorganisms present in water. Number 5, polluted water produces the unpleasant odor. Number 6, it has unpleasant look. Number 7. Water pollution results in drying the lakes or ponds. Number 8. The polluted water may release toxic fumes which leads to chronic disorders which is effects on lungs of human beings. Number 10. Pollutants like plastics buried under earth which leads to soil pollution, and it may kill so many aquatic animals. It has so many adverse effects on human beings like signing off to the presentation presented by K Tejasri 20046 030 GPT Kottagudem. Thanks to Balakrishna sir for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thanks to one and all.